Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, which is great. We need to open more options. So let's swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, just like that. And as you can see here, we've got more options. So now what you need to do is to go to the very right, just by swiping like that. And here we've got the timer, so tap on it. In this device, we've got 4 options, so off, 3, 5, and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll pick 10 seconds. As you can see, this icon is right now highlighted, which means that we just set the timer. Now we can simply go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button, and from now on, our device will count down from 10, 5, or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time, it will simply take a photo. Okay, and if you'd like to, you can always turn it off. Just open the settings again, go to the timer, tap on it, and tap on this crossed out icon. And from now on, the device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.